In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I promote affiliate links on Instagram using 100% free traffic, even on a brand new account with 0 followers, no paid ads, no fancy tools. I'll break down the exact Instagram strategy that lets your reels get pushed by the algorithm, how to place affiliate links without getting shadow banned, and how beginners are already making consistent commissions just by copying this system. If you have a laptop, internet, and Instagram account, you can start today. I have been doing this business for over 6 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Instagram and how to promote affiliate links on Instagram. Just last year, I have made $493,765, okay, in the last year of 2025, okay. Anyway, in this video, I'm here to show you guys how we can also start and how we can promote your affiliate links on Instagram. So step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay? You need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr affiliates. So just go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go over here to company and click on affiliates, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliates website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you can earn, how much they are paying, the commissions plan, and so much more. If you scroll more down to over here, if you go to this option over to this page here, you guys can see that for example, for pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order, which is really good. So you with this affiliate marketing business, guys, you don't need ads, okay, because you are working with a profitable affiliate marketing program. If you are working with low affiliate marketing programs that they are paying just few cents per commission, then you will need ads to scale to 10,000 to 20,000, 30,000 per month. You need ads. But if you are working with high paying affiliate marketing programs like this one that they are paying up to 70% of the first order, you don't need ads. Just with few hundred views, you can make good commissions, okay? You guys can see for pro services, it's up to 70% of the first order. The best part with this affiliate marketing business, they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you guys can keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buys service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services over and over and over, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr, which is a profitable affiliate marketing business for beginners, okay? Anyway, and the lowest that they are paying is 25, which is really good. It's still good. 25% of first order, it's really good, okay? Anyway, you can go to this page back here and click on join now so you can create your affiliate account. You just need, so you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do next, you need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. They will ask you, do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. And what you will do next, since we will use Instagram, so here is what you will do. Pay close attention, please. Go and create an Instagram page, okay, and copy your Instagram page link and put your Instagram page link over here, okay, in this bar here, okay. Before you do that, create at least between 3 and 5 Instagram reels videos that they are talking about Fiverr services, okay. So your account can get approved fast. Once you do that, then you can put your Instagram page link here, and that's it. And click here to choose your country. You guys can start this business from anywhere. You can start from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and click over here to choose your language. And if you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate links to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy services from you. So it's clear, okay? It's super easy and simple. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services, a profitable service that has high demand, that you can promote on Instagram, that people are already interested to buy. You cannot promote any services that you think or that you like, or you will keep guessing. This business doesn't work like this. You need to promote services that has high demand. So I'll share with you guys the services that you can promote on Instagram that has high demand and that people are already paying for on Fiverr. Okay, pay close attention. So here is what you will do next. You will go back to your Fiverr homepage, go back to Fiverr and click on the search and search for Instagram promotion. So since we will promote our affiliate links on Instagram, we will promote services related to Instagram, services that can help people to grow their Instagram accounts, grow their businesses inside Instagram. So search for Instagram promotion, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide their service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How you can choose good sellers? Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. You can choose like level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, pro sellers, because people will click on it, because people who will come from your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the feedback of their customers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, you can people who will come from your affiliate link, they can buy those services from you and you can earn a commission. So it's easy and simple. So let's pick just an example one, so to show you guys. So as an example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is pro seller, which is really good. He has a lot, over 1,000 reviews, and his service starting from $100. This is a good one. I will click on this service like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Do you see? People already placing orders on Fiverr for this service, okay? We see just this one single seller has 186 orders in queue. Over 5,000 people paid for this service, okay? So already people are paying for this service, guys. How to promote Instagram account, how to grow Instagram account. So which people are paying for Instagram promotion? Which people? People who has Instagram, people who has Instagram accounts and they want to grow their Instagram followers, their Instagram engagement, get more views, more followers. They are paying for this service, guys, okay? This one, Instagram promotion, okay? So what you will do next as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will copy this seller profile link, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click on your dashboard over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, and so on. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page over here. You need to click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram, okay? Guys, if you are promoting pro services, this will be your affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You will copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here. Fiverr Marketplace new plan, okay? For me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years and I have an old Fiverr affiliate account. That's why I still have this option. I just shared with you almost everything. But if you want to take this business seriously and avoid mistakes, account bans, and wasted time, I have created a step-by-step affiliate marketing course that shows you how you can start from scratch, which services you need to start promoting, how you can create your own faceless content using AI, and so much more. If you want to take this business seriously and you want to get access to all my methods, my strategies, how do I promote affiliate links on YouTube, on Reddit, on Quora, and more, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you guys all the details. You can find my email address in my video description and I'll send you all the details, okay? Anyway, let's complete our video, guys. We need to promote, like I said, this Fiverr affiliate link on Instagram. So what we need to do next you need to go first to Instagram and you need to create an Instagram page. Okay, so it's easy and simple. You just need to use your email address and that's it, and create an Instagram page and make good logo for your Instagram, good name, and that's it. It's super easy, and of course it's for free. So once you do that, what you need to do next is you need to create an Instagram reel video, okay, that you can use to promote this service on Instagram. So we will go back to this seller profile page. We will scroll down. This seller has a video, you guys can see.
Hi, my name is Brian and welcome to our Instagram service on Fiverr.
Which is really good. So what you need to do next, double click on the video and you can click on save video and save this video to your laptop. Then what you will do next, you will go to Canva. It's for free and it's easy. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up using your email address. This will be your home page, okay? You need just to click here on video and choose Instagram reel. Click on Instagram reel and you will be in this page. What you will do next, you will click here on upload and click on videos. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. This is my video that I download from Fiverr. So I will just click on the video and your video will be over here like this. I will make the video like this. Click on done and here you go. So what you need to do next, you will click here on text and click on add sub hidden like this and put this sentence in your video like this, okay? Link in bio, okay, like this, and put this sentence over here because you will put your affiliate link in your bio like this, link in bio, okay? It's clear. So I will just change the color to make it looks good. Let's change the color to okay, like this. It's looking really good. Link in bio like this. Okay, it's now good. So let's check and add, make it to the video, to the video like this. Okay, let's now check.
Hi, my name is Brian and welcome to our Instagram service on Fiverr. In this gig, we will help you grow your Instagram account.
This is really good. So it's looking good. So what you will do next, you will click on share and click over here on download and download this Instagram reel video to your laptop. And what you will do next, you will go back to Instagram and upload this reel into your Instagram page, and you need to create an landing page that you will use to promote affiliate links, because if you use your bio, you can put just 2 links in your Instagram bio, and if you want to promote a lot of services, you can't just put 2 links of 2 services in your bio. So what you need to do next is you guys need to create a landing page. It's for free and it's easy. You can go to Canva, search for landing page, and you can create a landing page that you can use to put all the services that you want to promote inside Instagram. Okay, so once you put your once you upload your Instagram reel video, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account to copy your affiliate link. Fiverr Pro new plan, because we are promoting pro services, we will copy our affiliate link from here, and you need to put your affiliate link in your landing page and put your landing page link in your Instagram bio. So when people will visit your Instagram profile, they will click on your landing page link and they will find all the services that you are promoting, so they can choose the service that they want to buy, and that's how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. If you want to take this business seriously and you want to get more info, more details, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. And so guys, if you can create your own videos, it's really better, okay? Because now the problem, a lot of people will watch this video and you guys will go and do the same, and you will all of you guys will use the same video, okay? If you can make your own videos, that will be better. This is just for beginners. They can start with this method, okay? But if you already have a scale and you know how to make the Instagram Reels videos, there you go. You can go really good with this affiliate marketing business. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.